Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. My name is Eric. I'm from Wealth Attitude, and today we're going to be using Quora to blow up just about anything with tons and tons of traffic. All right, let's jump into it right now. So, if you don't know what Quora is a question and answer site. So, basically, what you're doing is somebody's posing a question and you're answering it. All right. So, in this particular case, I'm in the make money online niche, right? So I want to answer questions about making money online and then drop a link to my YouTube channel, right? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The problem is that you can get lost in a sea of upvotes, right? And what that basically means is, this is literally taking forever to load. What that means is, if people like your response, they'll upvote it. And the more upvotes that you get, the higher it raises up into the questions, right? So in this particular case, we're going to click on Make Money Online. Man, is this slow today? Sorry, guys. And one of the first questions is, what is the easiest and most profitable ways to make money online, right? This is under the reading. So this is actually somebody that posted it. We want answers. So we're going to click on answers. And we're going to get a ton of questions. What are some legal ways for people to earn extra money per month? It's really funny because, you don't think about it, but there's a lot of ways that are considered illegal that most people would consider legal. So what are some ways that programming students can make money online? You got 3 people following that, and nobody's answered it yet. You see how this works? People are interested in this. People don't have an answer for it yet, right? So basically what you're going to look for is you're going to try to find what has the most follows with the least amount of answers. And because if it has a ton of answers, then there's a lot of competition and there's going to be a lot of people that have already has upvotes. I'm going to show you how that doesn't matter and how you can crush that. But that being said, we need to still find something that generates a ton of traffic, right? So this is a really good one. How do I earn money online fast in internships? What are some websites that earn money by doing simple tasks, right? You got 9 people that are wanting to know that, and only one person's answered that, right? So again, we can do this all day. We can go through and just look for questions like this, or see, here's another one with 9 and 1 answer. And then we got 21 and 15, right? And this was last followed an hour ago. So this is actually something that somebody was interested in. So if this were me and I came across this, I would definitely write a post about it, right? But we can flip forward and we can go to the ads manager and we can take a look and see what are the highest volume questions already out there, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to create a campaign. And this doesn't cost any money. You don't need to put in a credit card. You don't need any of that kind of stuff. We're not running ads. We're just looking at stuff, right? So we're going to name this campaign. We name it whatever the hell we want. So we're going to name it whatever the hell we want. All right. So we're going to click on traffic because that's what we're trying to generate, right? We want to generate traffic. Our minimum budget, I usually just do $20, and then we're going to hit continue. Taking forever. All right, so we're looking for question targeting, right? Because we want questions to answer, right? And then we're going to hit add questions because we want to target. So this is where, as you can see here, is giving you examples: finance, personal finance, investment. So we want make money online. Or we could do work from home. There we go. All right, we're going to hit continue. And as you can see here, these are questions that have weekly views, right? So in this particular case, I don't know if I would do any of these because there's just not enough weekly views on any of those questions to really make it worth it. So we're going to exit out. We're going to add questions. And we're going to do make money online. Actually, let's try, Yeah, that'll work. So these are some of the questions that you have. What is the best way to make money online? What is the easiest way to make money online? How do you make money online in India? How do you make money online? So as you can see here, the weekly views for these are really, really good. You got 5,000 to 6,000, 4,000 to 5,000, 1,000 to 2,000, 1,000 to 1,500, right? So fast forward, and this is where my question came in right here. So this is the question that is right here. What is the easiest way to make money online? What is the easiest way to make money online? Now, I answered this question 1 hour ago, right? And basically what I did was I bolded this and I said something kind of controversial. Everything that people are saying or telling you is crap, or everything that these people are telling you are crap, insinuating that all the people that are commenting to this. The funny thing is they all know it as well. They're answering the questions with the direct purpose of promoting something, which is what I'm doing as well. But anyways, as you can see, I italicize stuff. I make it bold so it makes it easier for them to read. And then I promo my YouTube channel, right? And we're going to refresh this so we can see an up-to-date, because I don't know when the last time that was actually refreshed. So we have 1 upvote and 122 views. So this question right here has over 100 people, right here, 100 plus answers, but it's got 7,000, almost 8,000 people that are following it right now, right? So there's a lot of traffic here. It's generating around 4,000 to 5,000 views per week, which is around 20,000 a month. Imagine if you can get to right here or in the top 5, right? So in this particular case, he's got 257 upvotes, right? That's pretty steep, right? And some of these guys have thousands of upvotes. Like this, I think this particular guy, oh no, he's got 102. Some of these guys got some, like this guy's got 355. But the problem is some of these answers are rather old. They just have a ton of upvotes. And that's why they're kind of, see, this one is answered 2018. What was this one answered here? See, February 3rd. So that's why this is kind of up towards the top. It's a more recent, it's got some pretty good upvotes and some shares, right? So we have our traffic source, which is Quora. We figured out how to target highly visible questions so that we can, now the next step is how do we get to the top, right? How do we get into this spot? How do we combat these upvotes, right? Well, first you need to have a pretty decent post, right? And you can do all of this, by the way, from your phone, right? This is the Quora app right here. As you can see, we're in the Make Money Online. I'm trying to get it like a good. We're on the Make Money Online part of it, right? So you can literally do all this from your phone. You don't need a computer. I literally have an app that I can do this all on, right? So after you've got your traffic, you know what you need, a really, really good post, right? So as you can see, this guy's did the same thing I did. He's got some earn online frauds, warning, like he knows what he's doing. He's got some stuff that really drags you in. Then he's got a little bullet points because people like that. They like to see. So this is the kind of quality post that you need. Some images. I bet you $1 million he's got an image in here. He's got Instagram. He's got YouTube. Oh man, he doesn't. Yeah, see, he's got an image right here. So as you can tell, this is a well put together post. Probably took him half an hour, 45 minutes. But as you can see, he's the number 1 post right here, and I got 100 views in the last hour. Imagine what he's getting. So he's getting a ton of views. He's probably getting 50 to 60% of the actual total views for this particular question because he's number 1. So people are constantly viewing him, and somewhere along here he's going to have a link to something. Maybe he didn't. Maybe he's just he could have it in his right here on his profile. So, but anyways, so you write a really, really good post, and now we need to get upvotes. So this is where things go from white hat to technically black hat, right? So what we're going to be doing is we're essentially going to be buying upvotes, right? So just so you know, this will technically break your terms of service with Quora. If you really care about that, you really need to get out of the internet marketing game, because that is such a stupid thing to hold you back, your Quora, whatever. So, I mean, you just start another email, open up another account. It's really not the end of the world here. So, technically, what we're doing is we're going to buy upvotes, right? So, over here, I'm on SEO Clerks. If you don't know what SEO Clerks is, you really need to, because they literally have everything you want, right? So if you click here on home, we're in, I believe, social networks. So it's an amazing site to get stuff done. Now, mind you, this is pretty cheesy, but it's a she, I believe, based on her profile picture, is going to send 50 Quora upvotes from U.S. country for $2. I'm guessing that she is an overseas person that is using different IP addresses, whatever. We don't really care. So I ordered this package, and she delivers in 1 day. So she hasn't quite delivered on my question yet, and this has all been just traffic from Quora, because I believe they give you a push because you're brand new and you just started with the question. So they give you a little bit of traffic to it. So, but basically we're going to purchase this, and as you can see here, it's $2, literally $2 to get 50, right? 50 upvotes. And I think we can pay $5 for 300 upvotes that are from worldwide. So they're not from the United States. They're literally worldwide. So I thought about doing that, but just for this test, I wanted to, as you can see here, 300 worldwide Quora upvotes for $5. Looks like it would be something that I would definitely be interested in doing. I'm going to try this one first and see how that actually plays out. And as you can see here, this is a bit.ly link that I had to that post that I made in the Make Money whatever. So I put a bit.ly link into my YouTube channel, and I've gotten 2 clicks over to my YouTube channel already. So this isn't making me tons and tons of exposure, but it is getting me exposure for $2. And they haven't even really started it yet. So as you can see here, I've got 6 clicks. 4 of them are from India, 1 of them from the United States, 1 Spain. But the time zone I'm in right now, I mean, it's 12 o'clock in the morning. So just shortly after 12 o'clock. So it's going to be it's going to be like India, China, and stuff that I'm going to get clicks through for right now. But that makes me content. It's driving traffic to my YouTube channel. And basically, once I get more views on this kind of stuff right here, people are clicking and subscribing and that kind of stuff, it'll up my watch time, it'll up everything, and that'll make it easier to get monetized. It'll make it more authority and that kind of stuff. So I'm currently using Quora to do tons of market research and tons of pushing for YouTube. So something that you guys should be well aware of. I'm going to continue to make some more videos on this, because this is really, really powerful stuff. If you guys haven't seen that, you're really, really missing out. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Tell me what you guys think of the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.